This video is brought to you by CyberSalt's Joomla training cohort. Learn to do Joomla the way CyberSalt does Joomla. And mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. If you've migrated your Joomla 3 site to Joomla 4 and your articles are showing in the front end of your site and they are listed in the contents table of your database, but they are not showing up in your article manager in the back end of your Joomla site, or some are missing, some are showing, some are missing there, this might be the fix that you are looking for. All right, so here we are in a discussion in the Joomla forum, and basically covering articles visible in database and front end, but not visible in the back end. What the problem might be is that in the workflow associations table of your Joomla 4 site, the articles that aren't showing in your article manager, there's no reference to them in that table. So what needs to be done is to recreate those references. Now, thanks to Brian Tiemann and then Alexander Elise, we have an SQL command, a statement, whatever it is, that we can run in the database that will make sure every article has an occurrence in the workflow associations table. So here's what you want to do. I'll place the link to this discussion and also to this code below. You want to copy this code, and then you want to go to your control panel. For your web hosting, you're going to go PHP myadmin. Then you will go into the Joomla database that is for the website you're having problems with, and I want you to look at what the prefix is for your table. You're going to need that. So we have JOSMX here, all right? Next, we're going to click on the SQL box up here, and we're going to paste that code right there. Now next, we're going to go up here. You'll see that there is a hash and a space, an underscore. There's actually two underscores. We only need the one because we're going to take out the hash and the underscore, and we're going to put in the prefix, which we can also see here, JOSMX and then underscore. So we go JOSMX. Next, we're going to go to the next spot here. There's our hash and underscore. We're going to go JOSMX. We have to do this in 3 places. So the JOSMX content. And then down here, we're going to take out the hash and an underscore, JOSMX. Then what you're going to do is over here, you're just going to click go, and it will run, and it will give you the results. Now, of course, 0 rows inserted because I didn't have this problem with this database. I'm just using it as an example. Now, there is a similar problem that causes no articles to appear, and the fix is also something similar to that. I have a video for that as well in the description below. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.